Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Cox's Contour Box to TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of ways how to do this. So this is for wired boxes or wireless boxes. So I'm going to run through the wired contour box first. So what we need to do is go to the back of the box and we need to connect the coaxial cable into the wall outlet and then the other end into the port labeled cabled from wall, which is on the left hand side of the box. Then from there we need to connect the HDMI cable. So insert one end of the HDMI cable into the HD to TV port on the contour box, which is the blue one here, and then the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then we need to connect the power cord. So on the far right of the box, connect one end of the power cord here and then the other end into the electrical outlet. Ensure the outlet isn't connected to a dimmer or switch. Then from there, simply turn your TV on and select the correct input. So using your TV remote, press the input or source button and select the HDMI input that matches the port you used. Then wait for the light on the contour box to become solid, then call Cox. And call Cox on this number here to complete the activation process. Then pair your remote. So follow the on-screen instructions to pair your contour remote with your TV. Now for wireless contour boxes. So you want to place the receiver. So position the wireless contour box where it can receive a strong signal from your gateway, avoiding obstructions like walls or metal objects. Then from there, connect the HDMI cable. So connect one end of the HDMI cable to the wireless contour box and the other end to an available port on your TV. So you want to use this one here. It's in blue, HDMI to TV. Then connect the power cord and then plug in the other end into an electrical outlet. Then using your TV remote, press the input or source button and select the HDMI input that matches the port you used. The TV will display on-screen instructions to connect the wireless contour box to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network, enter the password and confirm, then follow the on-screen prompts to pair your contour remote with your TV.